Looking to boost your medical spa's visibility? Here are 8 effective marketing tips. Want to grow your med spa and build trust? Harness the power of online reviews and testimonials. Invite your satisfied clients to share their experience on platforms like Google, Yelp, and social media. Boost engagement by offering small incentives, like discounts on future services, in exchange for honest reviews. Highlight these reviews across your website and marketing materials to establish credibility and attract new clients. Ready to build trust and grow your spa? Start encouraging online reviews today. Want to attract more clients? Invest in high-quality visual content that showcases your spa's excellence. Capture the essence of your clinic with stunning professional photography. Highlight your space, your team, and the impressive results of your treatments. Create engaging videos to educate and client testimonials to build trust. Let potential clients see real results. Consistency is key. Maintain a cohesive and professional look across all platforms to strengthen your brand identity. High-quality visuals are more than just pretty pictures. They're a powerful marketing tool. Tip number 6. Email marketing. Boost your engagement with targeted emails that motivate. Tailor your emails to different segments. Whether it's new clients or repeat customers, make each message relevant. Share success stories, detailed information about procedures, and exclusive special offers to keep your audience engaged. Always include clear calls to action. Encourage recipients to book consultations or learn more about your services. Ready to grow your client base? Start utilizing email marketing today. Tip number 5. Optimize your website for SEO. Attract more clients and secure transactions with a well-running site. Create in-depth blog posts that answer common questions and address client concerns about each procedure. Make sure content is accurate and authentic. Include well-edited graphics and videos. Incorporate relevant keywords throughout your content to boost your search engine rankings and help clients find you easily. Don't forget local SEO. Include location-specific keywords so your spa appears in local search results, attracting clients from your area. Ready to get noticed online? Optimize your website today and watch your business grow. Are you looking to build trust and educate your clients? Host engaging webinars and workshops. Cover the benefits, safety, and results of your procedures to provide valuable insights. Create a space where potential clients can ask questions and interact with your experts. Educate, engage, and build credibility with every session. Ready to connect with your audience? Start hosting webinars and workshops today. Tip number 3. The power of limited time promotions. Create irresistible offers like special discounts, bundle deals, or referral bonuses. Use time-sensitive language to create urgency. Phrases like "only this week" or "limited spots available" work wonders. Take advantage of seasonal or themed promotions. Offer special packages like a summer glow package with discounts on treatments that help clients look their best for the season. Promote these offers through various channels: social media, email newsletters, and in-spa signage. Looking to expand your reach? Collaborate with local beauty, wellness, and lifestyle influencers. Invite influencers to experience your services firsthand. Their followers trust their opinions, making it a powerful way to boost your spa's credibility and build your online community. Watch as your spa gains visibility and attracts new clients through their endorsements. Partner with influencers today and see your business thrive. Leverage social media marketing. Focus on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to reach a wider audience. Share stunning before and after photos to showcase your results. Highlight client testimonials to build trust and credibility. Engage with polls, Q&A sessions, and live demonstrations. Start engaging your audience today.